Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about something that's new as of earlier this year. It is called PowerPoint Live. It's kind of a cool way to present something and have your audience follow along with you. So I'm going to open up this presentation that I created, which is very shortly. The one thing that I want you to make sure that you are doing is you are on PowerPoint on the web. Make sure you're not on the PowerPoint Windows 10 app, because you will not find this there. But when, let's say, your presentation has some more stuff and everything and you're ready to go and present to your audience, when you're ready to go and you want to do this, you just have to go up here to slideshow. You're going to notice present live is right here, and when you do this little drop down, you're going to get two options that you can either present this for people that are in your organization, or you can also present to anybody. I'm just going to present to anybody. When I click this present live button, my screen's going to change and this very intro screen is going to come up here. Couple of ways for your users to join. They've got their QR code, and then also up here in the right hand corner you also have a just a little thing they can type into their browser and they can join your presentation from there. You're going to see what this looks like from the other end when I scan it with my phone, and you see what happens from there. All right, from the phone version of this, you're going to see QR code is scanned, which is going to take you directly into the presentation. You can also see there are some captions down below of what I had recorded earlier. But anyways, you can go through, and once the presenter keeps moving through the slides, you're going to see that that's going to take you to, when you're finished, a little evaluation where you can go through, add your feedback, and then at the very end, you can put some comments to help your presenter know how things went, which is pretty cool.